Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to make graph in GraphPad Prism. Okay. So this is the data that we have in our Excel sheet. We will draw the graph of this data in GraphPad Prism software, and then next we will do the significant analysis of that data using the ANOVA analysis. Okay. So uh, let us go to the GraphPad Prism. Okay, so this is the software. So when you open, you will get this checkbox. So here you need to click on XY. You can find new tables on graph. You click on XY over here. It's already selected. Then you come over here in the Y axis. Click on enter 3 replica. Okay, so here you will get there is mean and error and standard error mean already selected. So you select the 3 replica over here. For ANOVA analysis, we need 3 replica at least. And then you click on create. Okay, so this is what the table will look like. So here in the y-axis we can find 3 replica for each, and this is the x-axis. Okay, so we'll write our x-axis over here, not here, otherwise it will give two x's. So we'll write the name over here, that is x, y and z. If you write it here, this column will not take any alphabet, it will take only digits. Okay, so you need to write your letters over here in this column. Okay, so we'll simply give the title of the compounds over here. So let me write it: compound 1, compound 2, compound 3 and compound 4. Okay, so this is what we get. Now I'll just copy the data from our Excel sheet and just paste it over here. Okay, so this is the data we got. So here you can find at the left hand side, this is the data one. Okay, this is our data, the data one. And here in the, there is info, there is result, there is graph. So here in the graph you can find there is a graph that is been drawn for data one. So we'll click on this. So after clicking this one, we can see that this is what this is the graph which we have got automatically. Okay, so now you need to change the graph according to your necessity. Okay, so you change the graph by coming here. Here you can find there is a change in the menu, and you click choose a different type of graph. You click on this one. Here you can find XY column, group, contingency and survival. Here you need to click on column, and then you select the fourth one from here. Okay, so select the fourth one. Here in the plot, mean with standard error mean we have selected. It is selected already. You can also change it from here, from the drop down, mean with standard deviation, etc. You can change it according to your need, but here we need mean with SEM. Okay, so here then I'll click on OK. So this is how the graph will look like. Okay, after the changing of the representation of the graph. Okay, so you can change this one according to your uh, um, necessity. Okay, so now what you do, you can change this histograms. So here when you click on the right hand side of the mouse, you click and you will get there is format entire data set, format all data sets. Okay, so you click here on the format all data sets and you go this side, you can change the data set for all of the histogram all together if you click on the format all data sets. Okay, so from here you can change the fill color of all of them, fill pattern, pattern color, border color, thickness. Even you can change the color, style, direction and thickness of the error bars as well. Okay, so here I will just change the border thickness and bring it down to half, and then I will change the error bar thickness and bring it down to 1 point. Okay. Now, since this already has a pattern, so you can either keep the pattern that is already present or you can change the pattern according to your need. Okay, so here I will change the pattern. So first what I'll do, I will go to the format all datasets, change the fill color to white, then again format all datasets, change the fill pattern to none, and then again format all datasets, change the pattern color to black. Okay, so here all the pattern has been selected as none. So now I can change the pattern design. So if you want to change the pattern design of the single histogram, you do the right click over here and then you go to the format entire dataset. So this will change only that individual histogram. Okay, so here go to the format entire dataset, go to fill pattern and change any pattern you like. Suppose I am choosing this second one. So my pattern has changed for this single histogram. Now second histogram. So in compound 2, I will change this for compound 2. So go to format entire data set, go to fill pattern and change the pattern. See, the compound 2 histogram has been changed. The pattern is changed for compound 2. Now for the third one as well, you go to the format entire data sets, fill pattern and then you select this one. And again for the fourth one, format entire set, fill pattern, select this one. Okay, so this is how you can change the pattern of your histograms individually. Okay, now you can also change this pattern into color. Suppose you want to put color over here, you don't want pattern, you want to put color. So what you do, first you need to change the pattern of first you need to change the pattern of all the histograms into none. So what you do, format all dataset, go to the format all datasets over here, go to fill pattern and change it to none. Okay, and then you select the color. For this histogram I will go to format entire dataset and then you go to the fill color, and from fill color you change any color you want. Suppose I want blue here, so this is the blue. Okay, for second one I will select, go to format entire dataset, fill color and then I will select yellow. Okay, so similarly you can do the same for the third and the fourth one as well. Okay, so this is how you can change the color of your histograms according to your need. All right, now then you can add the title, x-axis title and y-axis title. So here in x-axis title we have the different compounds, whereas y-axis, that is our concentration in μg per ml. Okay, so this is our y-axis, the title of the y-axis. Now you can also change the font style and font size of this writing portion. Suppose you need to change this x-axis title into Times New Roman. So select this one first, then go to the text over here. So here from the drop down you can select Times New Roman and this will get changed. Similarly, you can also change the font size here, 12, 14, 16, whatever you want to choose. I will select 12. Okay, similarly you can change this one as well. Just click on this one and you can see there are two black dots, that means it has been selected already. Then you go to the font style, click on Times New Roman and it is changed. Again for the y-axis you select this one, again the two black dots you can see, that means it is already selected. Then you can go here and change the font style to Times New Roman. So this is done. Okay, now this one you can also change the font style of this legends over here. So first select this one, and then you go to Times New Roman and you click on select. So this is what you get. You can also give them a bold style by clicking on this. Okay, there are many other options which you can try out. So this is how you draw the graph of the data in the GraphPad Prism software. Okay, now we'll do the significant analysis. We want to see if the compounds are significantly different from each other. Okay, so in the significant analysis, we will do the ANOVA test to find the significant difference. So for that, we need to go to our data set again. This is our data table, and after that you need to go to analysis section. See, Prism, file, sheet, undo, clipboard and analysis. So in the analysis section you can see there is analyze. There is a section where it is analyze written. Okay, analyze this data set. So you click on this one, analyze. Then this checkbox will come where you will select this column analysis. Now in the column analysis you can find t-test, one-way ANOVA test, and there are several other tests. So we will click on one-way ANOVA test. Now in the right hand side you can see that all the columns has been already checked. So if you want only two columns to find, so you can select the two columns only and unselect the rest too. So here I want to find all significant difference between all the compounds. So we need to select all the compounds. So all the four compounds has been checked. Now I'll click on OK. Now again one checkbox will appear that will show the name of your analysis, that is one way analysis of variance, and post test. So in the post test you need to give your test name. So from here in the drop down you can find there are different types of tests that you may wanna do. Okay, so here I will do this two case compare all pairs of columns. So you can select any one of the post tests according to your need. Here I will select this one, 2k compare all pairs of columns. Okay, you can also this Dunnett test, numericals and 2k, these are the most commonly used post test for one way analysis of variance. Okay, so here I will do the 2k compare all pairs of column test. So I have selected. So the significance of analysis, that is significance level, is already set to 0.05. That means 95% confidence. Okay, so this is already selected, and then I will click on OK. So this will give us the analysis. See, table analysis, this is one-way analysis of variance, and here p-value is less than 0.0001. Okay, so this is the whole table it has already provided, giving the significant difference between the compounds. So here you can see in this test, Tukes multiple comparison test, significant value p is less than 0.05. Either it is significant or not, it is written over here. So compound 1 versus 2 significant, it's written yes. And the how much significant is this? That is 3-star significance. Okay, again for compound 1 versus compound 3, it is significant yes, and again 3-star. 1 to 4, it is also significant yes, 3-star. And again 2 to 3, there is no significant, and it means no, this is no, and this is no significant. Compound 2 versus compound 4, it is yes, it is significant, and it is 1-star significant. And for compound 3 versus compound 4, it is not significant, and ns denotes the non-significance value. Okay, so this is how all the columns has been compared according to the significance level. Now what is 1-star? What does 1-star, 2-star, 3-star means? Okay, so I will tell you this later. So first we need to draw this star in our graph. So this is our this analysis will be present in our result section. Okay, so in this result we'll find this data. Now we need to draw this lines, significant lines in our graph. Okay, so first we'll draw for compound 1 versus compound 2, that is 3 star. So we'll go to the graph. We'll just take this one to, we'll just select this one and take it upwards. If you have a, if you want to put any title to this graph, you can add it over here. Okay, so here I'm not putting anything. You can put it according to your need. So first, in the significant analysis, we have seen compound 1 versus compound 2, that is of 3 star, right? So we need to draw. So here from this section you can draw. So here you can see there is a draw written. So from the draw you go to this menu, select a drawing tool. So I will select this one. You can select any one of them, any line. So I will select this one and draw the line to the midpoint of the error bar. Okay, so this is the line, significant line that you have drawn. Now this significant line is very bold according to my need, which I don't need. So what I'll do, if you want to change it, you want to make it thinner, then you just click on this, right click on this line, and then you will find options, line color, line thickness, line style, etc. So you click on the line thickness and you thicken the line to any point you want. So I have selected half point, 1/2 point. Okay, so this is the line which I got. Now 3 stars were present, right? So significant value was 3 stars. So I will put the 3 star over here. So to draw the stars, we'll go to the right section. See, you can see the right section beside the draw section. So in the right, you select this one, text, select text, click here, and from your keyboard, you draw 3 star. Bring the star close to the line. Okay, so this is how you do your significant line and put the stars on your histograms to show the significant difference between the compounds or whatever test you have done. Okay, so this is how you do. Next, similarly, we will draw all the significant lines and we'll put all the p-values. Okay, we'll put all the p-values and we'll draw the complete graph. Now again we'll go to this analysis. Here we can find compound 1 versus 3 is 3 star, 1 versus 4 is 3 star. So we'll draw it. Okay, so 3 we have already done. 2 versus this is non-significant. We'll not draw the line for this. Compound 2 versus compound 4 is 1 star. Compound 2 versus 4 is 1 star. So only the significant differences will plot, will not plot the non-significant values. Okay. Line thickness, and we'll put 1 star. Okay. So this is the complete presentation of our graph. And from this graph, you can easily tell that which compound is significantly different from which one and by how much. Okay, so here earlier I said that the meaning of 1 star is different, 2 star is different, and 3 star is different. Okay, so highest level of significance is 3 star. If the difference is 3 star, that means it is highly significant with the other one. Okay, and if it is 1 star, we can say it is significant. So the more number of star, the more significant the compounds are. Okay, so here 1 star means p value is less than 0.05. 2 star means p value is less than 0.00, sorry, p value is less than 0.01, and 3 star means p value is less than 0.001. Okay, so if you want to understand this details on this ANOVA test, give your comments in the comment section, and we can make another video on this ANOVA. Okay, but this is what we do in this GraphPad Prism. Okay, so this will help you to automatically, it will reduce your work. It will already do the analysis automatically, and you can put your presentation in a good manner like this. Okay, so this is how you do the complete presentation of your graph. I hope you all have understood this analysis and this video. If you have any queries regarding to this, don't forget to comment down below. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, and do share and subscribe to our channel for more such related updates. Thanks for watching.